Welcome to this session on perform troubleshooting and remedy for engine coolant temperature ECT meter and ECT sensor. Engine coolant temperature meter shows no operation or incorrect operation. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the cause for engine coolant temperature, replace the defective temperature and sensors ECT.
Tools and equipments required: trainees toolkit, multimeter, wire cutter, battery, vehicle with ECU, cotton waste, emery sheet, bulb, ECT scanner, thermostat, 3mm and 4mm wire, cleaning solvent, soap oil. Now let's have a look at the procedure or checking and maintaining the coolant system in a vehicle. This initial step is essential to ensure that there is an adequate amount of coolant in the radiator. Low coolant levels can lead to insufficient heat dissipation, increasing the risk of engine overheating. It's crucial to perform this check when the engine is cooled to avoid any potential burns. Monitoring the engine's working temperature is critical for assessing the efficiency of the thermostat valve. The thermostat regulates the flow of coolant through the engine based on temperature. Ensuring that the engine reaches and maintains the correct operating temperature is vital for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Checking the sensor wire connections helps identify and rectify any issues such as loose or damaged connections that could lead to inaccurate temperature readings. The temperature gauge is responsible for displaying the engine's temperature to the driver. Ensuring the integrity of the wire connection before starting the engine helps prevent misreadings or malfunctionings of the gauge. Using a multimeter to check the power supply to the temperature sensor provides a quantitative measure of the electric current. This step helps identify any electrical issues that may be affecting the sensor's performance. Finally, observing the temperature meter while the engine is running provides real-time feedback on the coolant system's functionality. Any abnormal temperature readings or fluctuations may indicate underlying issues that need attention. The list provides a troubleshooting guide for various issues that may arise in the engine coolant system, along with corresponding actions to be addressed each problem. Let's explore each issue and recommended course of action. If the temperature meter or gauge is not functioning correctly, it can provide inaccurate readings, leading to a lack of awareness regarding the engine's temperature. Replacing the defective meter ensures accurate temperature monitoring. The temperature sensor is responsible for sending signals to the temperature gauge, and a defective sensor can result in incorrect temperature readings. Changing the sensor ensures that accurate data is transmitted to the gauge. Low coolant levels can lead to inadequate heat dissipation, causing the engine to overheat. Topping up the coolant ensures there is a sufficient amount to effectively regulate the engine temperature. Poor electrical connections can disrupt the communication between components, leading to inaccurate temperature readings. Replacing the faulty connection ensures a secure and reliable electrical flow. Using a multimeter, check the power supply to the temperature sensor provides a quantitative measure of the electrical current. This step helps identify any electrical issues that may be affecting the sensor performance. A malfunctioning thermostat can lead to improper coolant circulation, causing overheating. Replacing the thermostat ensures proper temperature control. Short circuits in the wiring can disrupt the electrical flow, leading to malfunctioning temperature readings. Repairing or replacing the wires resolves the short circuit. A defective engine control module (ECM) can result in incorrect temperature readings and other performance issues. Replacing the ECM addresses this problem. Inadequate power supply to the temperature sensor can lead to erratic readings. Checking and rectifying the power supply issue ensures a stable electrical connection for accurate sensor operation.
Let us recap this topic. In this topic, you have learned that low coolant levels can lead to inadequate heat dissipation, causing the engine to overheat. Topping up the coolant ensures there is a sufficient amount to effectively regulate the engine temperature. A malfunctioning thermostat can lead to improper coolant circulation, causing overheating. Replacing the thermostat ensures proper temperature control. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.